All right, we're good. We're cool, calm, and collected again. Took a little small break. I got my head right. That was... All right, let's go. You're good, bro. You're good. You got your little wake-up call to chill the fuck out. Oh my god, going this way is crazy. Wait, what? Third gear? Oh my god, that's deep. Yeah, that's a good spot. Oh my god, this was exact where that dude went. Alright, be careful. Right here. I want redemption. I think this is where I fucked up. Either way, I want redemption. Yeah, it was here. It was here. I went like off to the... Yeah, it was right here. Alright, redemption! Let's go! Careful, easy. Yeah, it was here. Yup. Yup, I was right there. Redemption. Let's go, baby. I wanted a redemption. Alright, I guess we're gonna do some shit here, and then once we're back on the bike, we'll be good to go. Because I want to take a break. Alright, we're good. Remember your braking zone. I think it was valid. Our homie went down, unfortunately, but thankfully she's good, no injuries. But we're just gonna get a quick little clip. Now, I really hope that looked as tough as I thought it did.
From down there.
Oh, that's gas.
This shot is crazy.
Oh, let's go. That's exactly why I kept going.
Yeah, I figured that'd be. Down here, I mean, why'd you go so slow?
Because you see me looking at the camera? I wanted you to know I was looking at you.
Yeah.
It's like one of these, like, are you fucking recording me? Yeah, and you gas it.
Alright, what's the move? Should we just move on?
Yeah, let's just pack it up and go, yeah. Oh, that's from the wood.
How'd you put it? What back way?
Really, dude?
I was avoiding it. I pulled it, but I don't want to break it.
We've been through this before, my friend. It's just a little pain, you be alright?
Not, yeah, but it's been at the front, you see that? But
That's fine.
yeah, that's good. Just make sure it's I mean, it's working. Car coming. I'm saying make sure it's not weak. You're in first. Bro, get up. You're in first gear, by the way.
Ugh.
Put it into gear so you can pull yourself out.
Please don't kill me. Come on. All right, are we good? We're good? All right, let's go. Come on. All right, our homie went down, unfortunately. Bam. All right, so we unfortunately only have like 20-something minutes left of footage. I guess I kind of did a lot of BSing. So yeah, I guess it's just gonna be what it is. We're gonna do as much as we can in like the next 24 minutes that we have the footage, and when the video ends, the video ends. Actually, we'll do a checker right here. Okay, 20 minutes. Got it. Okay, I can keep track of that. I got some cool clips too. Oh, that threw me off entirely. Fuck, I'm so sweaty right now. Oh shit. Scary, scary. I fucked up. I did all rear brake and no front. That was horrible. Bro, what are you doing? Get it together. Lock back in. There you go. There you go. There you go. Are they still behind? Not. Oh, damn. Dude, I'm barely pushing the gas. How am I creating such a gap? My ears keep popping. Oh, no. This is... I like this. Oh my god, the body transitions! Yo! Easy, easy, you're getting too hot. Relax. There you go, that's a better jam. Still on me? Oh man, I hope we don't get lost. I mean, we still got a full tank of gas, so we're good. Excuse me, I'm filming here. I am filming here, sir. Just a quick little one? Just a quick little one? No! 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 No!